Hello marketers, Leon Tran here from How to Webmaster. Today is around 30 days of my Fiverr journey. As you can see here, last 30 days, these are my 7 gigs. That's the maximum amount for new sellers. They can only have 7 gigs. And these are my impressions, clicks, views, and right here, 0 orders. So for this example, this build 2000 backlinks with GSA ranker right here, this is the gig. I have pretty good response time, about an hour, and only about 2 people have contacted me asking questions about my services. Okay, so let's check out some competition. GSA ranker, let's see how many other sellers are selling GSA backlinks. So we have here, this is a seller level 2, 4.9 stars, 235 feedbacks, and another one 300 feedbacks, 1,000. This one is selling 50,000 backlinks. It's got 5 stars and 234. Okay, so here's mine right here, 200,000 for $5, 0 ratings. And here's another one, 200,000, 5 stars almost, 356 feedbacks. So as you can see here, these GSA backlink services are quite popular and selling pretty good at Fiverr. However, the only difference between all these gigs and my gigs is 0 ratings. So that's what's hurting me and my sales. So when people buy on Fiverr, the first thing they look for is the ratings. And if you have 0, compare with somebody selling the same gig, like this guy, same exact gig, 200,000, but he has better ratings, you're gonna get 0 sales. And that's just the simple truth with Fiverr. Competition is very high, and it is very difficult for new sellers to come in and start getting sales, even though I'm getting the impressions as you can see here, and the rankings are pretty good. I'm showing up here pretty high, but next to these guys with 5-star ratings and hundreds of feedbacks history, I just simply can't compete as a new seller. After 30 days, 0 sales. Anyways, I am quitting Fiverr. I am stopping this journey as this one does not seem too fruitful for me. And what I would recommend is, if you want to get into Fiverr as a new seller, there's just no way to compete with these guys with 5-star ratings and hundreds of feedbacks. The only way is to buy reviews on your own gigs, or get your friends to buy your own gigs and leave 5-star ratings, and that's the only way to get some sales if you're gonna be listed next to these guys. And even then, these guys have hundreds of feedbacks. Anyhow, thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.